Hi and assalamu alaikum. So in today's video, I am going to make a review on a Samsung watch, which is Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. R500. So here are the package. So it's here. Okay, so before I start, I just wanted to say I bought this from Shopee. So there's actually different price for a different color. So mine is pink, but on the web it said gold. So mine is 688, but the silver and the black are in different price. So the silver is 679 and the black one is 675. So it's pretty weird why it is in different prices, but that is not the important thing right now, because we're gonna unbox this and see how it looks like. So I'm gonna put all the features for this camera so you can look through and see what you actually wanted to find, you know. Okay, I don't really know how to explain everything here, so you can just read it by yourself. I'm so sorry. Okay, so let's unbox this first. Okay, now here it is, the box. So you can see it's like there's warranty, Samsung register at purchased. So this is the original one, guys. Look at the hollow. Okay, so yeah, you can see there's actually the features: lightweight smartwatch, advanced auto fitness tracking, water resistant, and look at that. Okay, and here is just something, I don't know, I'm not sure. Okay, so we are going to open this up and yeah, let's see how the watch looks like. So we're gonna open this box up. Okay guys, here how it looks like. I'm very excited. Okay, what is this? The color, they said. So this color is actually rose gold, but I'm not sure why on the seller it said it is gold. But here how it looks like, guys. It's so cute. Oh my god, really cute, guys. In pink color, it's very feminine. Okay, so yeah, there's like this button. Yep, so put it aside first. Let's see what we got. So this thing, I think there's something inside. Yeah, there is the charger for this. So you can see, look at my hand, there's like, okay, there's charger here with this. Okay, you're gonna see, and here are another strapped. I think this is the bigger size or another one, I'm not sure. And that's it. So we are actually going to see what we're going to do with this. So how to open this. So here it is. So here is the warranty card. Okay, you can see it. Okay. So we're gonna see how it goes. So now I'm actually recording this with my sister's phone. So here's actually my phone. So we're gonna go to the Galaxy Wearable, and here it is. Okay, let's go. Okay, get started in the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. To connect all devices, an update need to be installed. We need to install. Okay, we need to update. Okay, what I'm saying. Okay. Okay, so now it's actually finishing pairing. So both of these devices, my phone and the watch, is on a low battery. So yeah, excuse me for that. Congrats. Okay, let me pick it up. Okay, congrats on your new Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, check out following. Find my watch. Report diagnosis, resume marketing. Okay, select all. Next. If you backed up data from this or previous, skip for now. I don't have watch. You're all set. Enjoy your watch. Here, how to use swipe left for widgets, right for notification. Okay. Which one is safer? Okay, I don't have Samsung Pay, so we're gonna just close this. Obviously, we're gonna go and look through the swipe left. Okay, swipe right to go to watch face. Why is that? Oh, for notification, swipe right. Okay. Press back key to go back. Oh, this is the back key. Okay. Press the home key to find your app. Oh, this is the home key. Okay, almost there. Open the quick panel right there. Touch the screen with your palm like this. Try again. So all done. Enjoy your watch. Okay, so daily activities, add shortcut, there's running, cycling, swimming, stressed, heart rate, weather, calendar. You can add more widget. So the thing that I really wanted to know is to change this face. They call it face, right? So now we're going to go to this. Okay, I think it is the watch faces. So there's actually a lot of it. Okay, you can't really see my phone. Okay, I'm gonna do that. So wait, can we add? No, is there? Okay, this is the thing. Okay, my battery's running low. Okay, I'm sorry. So I think I want this one. Okay, trigger allow and install. There's minimalist, trendy, informative, health, time focused, wallpaper, rings, features. This is what I really wanted to see when the first time I'm actually oh, is it like this? I thought it was in pink. Wait, is it this one? Oh, look at that, it's changing. I don't want this. Let's change it to this one. Is it going to change to black too? I'm so confused right now. So, let's see how it goes. It's changing. I thought it was like so. Let's see, look at that, it's changing. So we're gonna see this one. Okay. Allow special edition rose gold access to sensor permission. Okay, look at that. Okay, this is cute. So there's actually a lot of faces. Okay, is it faces that you can actually watch faces? Yeah, there's actually a lot of faces that you can pick out for you. Okay, so yeah. And let's go back to, oh my god, okay. Let's go back to the home, or is it discover? Oh, there's actually more thing that you can download from here. Watch faces and also like app. Thank you so much for watching my video. So if you wanted to get this for yourself, you can click the link down below so you can get this from Shopee. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!